Alright guys, the next thing I want to show you is when I go back to my portfolio here, there's something called presentation view. So as you're working and you kind of want to be able to see, well, what would it look like if it's printed out on the sheet of paper? How is it going to, read to the client? So I'm going to go back here, and right now I'm just in normal view. So if you go to the menu bar and go to view, and then I go to screen mode, okay, see, you can see normal, preview, bleed, slug, presentation. So these are the two that I mainly worry about. So I'm just going to click on preview. And so you see right now it looks like it's white because the frames have nothing in them. So if I go back to view, I'm going to go to screen mode and I'm going to go back to normal. Okay, so to go ahead and do this very quickly, if you tap the letter W on your keyboard, it's going to switch back and forth. Okay, so that's how you go from normal to preview view.